RH stock analysis and RH stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at RH, this is a pretty interesting stock, I'll say this. If I look at it from a weekly chart, this is how my chart look like. So what does this line pointing towards the downside mean? Doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to short, but what it means that I'm open to the bearish idea. So if the price ever, I'm not saying like I'm going to start shorting here whatsoever, but if we ever start giving like double breaks beneath the gray zone or whatever, only then that will make sense for me to short, you know? So since I'm not, I mean, I could, but I'm not making any videos on RH every single day, you know, just so you kind of understand it, not for me, for myself. I'm always going to be behind the chart like every single day, because I have a lot of stocks on the watch list myself too. But if this, for example, starts picking up higher, this is going to get the lid, you know, instead of assuming, I'm just reacting. That what has helped me. But yeah, if you want to achieve long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.